State Supreme Court rules having sex with minors is legal but sexting them is illegal. By the Free Thought Project, October 8, 2017. RT, sexting minors is illegal, but having sex with them is okay, an Indiana Supreme Court has ruled. Indiana high school teacher Samir Thakkar faces 3 years in prison for sending nude photographs to a 16-year-old girl after the Supreme Court ruled earlier this week to reverse a lower court's decision to throw out the case. Thakkar began texting the teenager in 2014, when he was 38. After a short period in which the girl told him she was underage, he then sent her images of his erect penis, court documents reveal. Advertisement. The state charged then 38-year-old Samir Girish Thakkar with Class D felony dissemination of matter harmful to minors under Indiana Code Section 35-49-3-3, A. 1, 2008, the dissemination statute, after Thakkar sent a photograph of his erect penis to a 16-year-old girl. The trial court dismissed the charges, relying upon Salter v. State, 906 N.E.2 D212, INDCT App 2009, trans. Not sought, which found the dissemination statute void for vagueness as applied, because the intended recipient met Indiana's age of consent to sexual activity. We now overrule Salter, hold that the dissemination statute is not unconstitutionally vague, and reverse. He was charged with 1 count of felony dissemination of matter harmful to minors, but argued in court that the charge doesn't make sense. September 25. RT America heavy checkmark at RT_America. Breaking, ex-US Congressman #Anthony Weiner sentenced to 21 months for sending explicit texts to teenager http://on.rt.com/804upic.twitter.com/6n5r1f8xxi. Follow. RT America heavy checkmark at RT_America. #Anthony Weiner faced up to decade in prison. Lawyers argued that he acted from depths of an uncontrolled sickness. http://on.rt.com/804upic.twitter.com/eugtflq year 3. 11:11 a.m., September 25, 2017. View image on Twitter. 1616 replies, 1515 retweets, 1212 likes. Twitter adds info and privacy. In Indiana, it is legal for adults to have consensual sex with 16-year-olds. It is illegal, however, for a person to knowingly send sexually explicit photographs to someone under 18, which is classed as disseminating material harmful to minors. Read more. Ferguson Oath Keeper dispels rumors of racism, condemns cops in epic rant. The court originally threw out the charges, explaining it was patently illogical that a man could have sex with a teenager, but not send them images. The case was appealed and ended up in Indiana's Supreme Court. Believing that it was patently illogical that an adult man could legally show his penis to a 16-year-old through consensual activity in person, but not through photography, the Salter court held the statute was unconstitutionally vague as applied because the activity in question would not be understood by a person of ordinary intelligence as patently offensive to prevailing standards in the adult community as a whole with respect to what is suitable matter for or performance before minors, which is a necessary element of the statutory definition of harmful to minors contained in Indiana Code Section 35-49-2-2, 2008. The Supreme Court found the charges should be upheld, despite the inconsistent law. It found no conflict between the two rules, as both can be complied with at the same time. Follow. RT heavy checkmark at RT_com. 25 wives and 146 kids, rogue Mormon sect leaders convicted of polygamy. https://on.rt.com/8ip8. 7:30 p.m., July 25, 2017. Photo published for Mormon sect leader with 25 wives and 146 kids convicted of polygamy. RT viral. Mormon sect leader with 25 wives and 146 kids convicted of polygamy. RT viral. 2 former religious sect leaders have been found guilty of polygamy after marrying more than 24 women over a period of 25 years in a landmark ruling for Canada. RT.com. 3131 replies, 6969 retweets, 6060 likes. Twitter adds info and privacy. With respect to a 16-year-old, consensual sexual activity in person is permitted. The dissemination of a sexually explicit photograph, consensually or otherwise, is not, Justice Mark Massa wrote. Massa said the court interprets the text of the law, and that it's up to state lawmakers to sort out the inconsistency.
Need a car? Don't forget to stop by carmarshal.com, where you can scout through over 100,000 new and used car vehicles. Take a look around. Get you a new affordable car. carmarshal.com.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I found that I had to make a change this ending on my videos, letting you know about the channel and fair use laws, you know, how we can report on other people's reporting and how it's good, how it's bad, etc. But you guys can look it up yourself. It is legal. It's in there. But like I've told you before, that I've been cut off from making money on YouTube for 4 years. It's really weird, bizarre, but they cut the money off, but they said you can keep the channel, and now YouTube makes all the money. And if you get bored, plug it into Social Blade website, and you'll see that they are making a huge amount off the site. Right now it's at 63 million views, 53,000 subscribers, almost 3 million views a month. You know, trying to wake people up, and I make nothing. In fact, I got a customer that's ex-congressman. He said if I could ever find a lawyer, sue YouTube on it. But because this is nuts, 4 hours a day, and to save America. You know, but at the same time, it's worth it. Look at what our founding fathers did. They died for this country. So, but getting back to the money part, this is why I'm redoing the video. Is my dream of everyone giving $1, and it's going to be $53,000 a year, or if they did Patreon, which you know, can be monthly. That is not working. That'd be great if it did. Nothing is perfect. And I appreciate the people that do donate, you know, what they can on PayPal. And there again, I'm letting you guys know that is not much. Is, you know, monthly is, oh my god. So anyways, yes, you cannot live on it. It's very, very, very low amount. But the dollar things, I do appreciate that. But when I first said everybody give $1, that's not working. I'm just letting you guys know it's, yeah, that dream. Everybody gives $1. 53,000 subscribers, it's not working. So yes, if you can give more than that, you know, I appreciate it. Like I said, you know, I'm in a unique situation where, you know, we're already debt free, and I'm not rich, but with the little business that we have, I am able to do what I am able to do 45 hours a day, you know, letting you guys know what's going on. In 4 years, I've did the whole thing myself. 12,000 videos on there. I literally get emails where people are like, holy crap, I never knew it was this bad. And it is this bad, and it's getting worse every day because we have the internet, we have cell phones, we have cameras everywhere now, and it's just disgusting what's going on. And then, as you guys know too, now we got Trump, we got Jeff Sessions doing a war on drugs, and now he wants to go after the forfeiture laws again. It's just unfreaking real. So if you can give more than that dream of everybody giving $1, yeah, that old video, that's not working. They're not, they're just not. So anyways, if you can give more than that dream is not working. Hardly anybody is giving. There you go. So that's why I'm remaking the video. If you can give more than that, that would be great. And there again, like I said, the Patreon's there. There is some people on there that are starting to give, but there again, it's very, very low. And like I said, I don't want to get rich off of that. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing because, you know, it's still so stinking corrupt. It's not even funny. My court case that I'm going to be paying out of my pocket myself with Charlotte County's coming up. They illegally looked me up and then posted all my information on LEOAFFAIRS website. They basically doxed me, however you want to say that. I forget what the word is. And They outed me, man. And that information on that site went out to 500 sheriffs, deputies, people that work at the jail, etc., etc., etc. So, yeah, it is very, very scary, but we're going to do a federal case, 1983 case, violating freedom of speech. We have 17 cameras in the house now. We got 2 cameras in the car. I always carry a camera plus a cell phone. A lot of people are highly recommending I get a vest now. If I could, if the wife would let me, I would run for sheriff. We are trying to push the thing nationwide right now. Where just to mix it up and to get the topics out there is register to run for sheriff, NPA, no party affiliation, as a write-in, and that is completely free, and you can participate in the elections. And there's a lot of stuff. We got a guy, James McLinnis in Pinellas County, Tampa, who almost won. He experienced the corruption himself. The story is unbelievable. Look him up. It's mind-blowing what they did. It pissed him off. He is very, very smart. He has way more money than I did. He ran for sheriff at the last 3 months last year in 2016 and almost won. He got all of the black vote. And the reason why he did that is because he ran on, I will not bust, we're in Florida, I will not bust anybody for weed anymore unless it's an ungodly huge amount, like pounds. And then he also ran on no more victimless crimes, no more of this freaking road pirate bull crap. And then he was going to cut the budget by 30%. And when you think about that, you can. If you stop the road pirates, you can get rid of a bunch of people. Gone. So, the wife has been saying, yes, I can, yes, I can't. So I don't know. We're trying to find somebody that can do it because I am busy doing this anyways. But, so I'm making a video, like I said, that $1 a month from everybody, you know, for 53,000 subscribers, that is not working. I'm just letting you guys know. Absolutely give way more than $1 a month. If you can, I appreciate anything. By the way, remember too, when you give that, PayPal takes like freaking 15 to 20%, so it's even worse than that. But, and there again, like I'm letting you guys know, it's way, what I get is very, very low. Appreciate it, but it is very, very low. Can't live on it. I'm just, you know, I'm working, and that's what I'm working on. And that court case is going to cost a buttload of money. That's federal court. Just the filing fees and the depositions that we're going to be doing with this corrupt cop. So there's another reason to give. We are going to be doing a deposition with this very corrupt. He was in a drug squad. He is a bad guy. He's on steroids. We heard steroids are rampant here. That's why their attitude is so bad. And we are going to get him on video, and it will be on YouTube. So that case alone is $5,000 just to bring it to court, and that's my money out of my pocket. So there's another reason to give, and give way more than $1 if you can. So keep that in mind. This is the new video, and I see, God, I talk a lot. It's already 7 minutes, but had to make it just to let you know that $1 a month from everybody is not working. They're not doing it. So if you can give more than that, please. So thanks. Keep it up. Share, like, subscribe, tell your friends, send me your videos on corruption, and I'll post it.